Hello there, wealth builders. This is your king speaking, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us explore the ways to turn a recession into a potential wealth building opportunity. Yes, wealth builders, an economic downturn can be very hard, inevitable, and it's something that nobody wants. However, in every dark cloud, there's a silver lining. With that being said, I have gathered effective ways you can use a recession to get rich. Yes, you heard that right. So, whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or a working professional, your king has some insider tips that will help you capitalize on these uncertain times. So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Let's start with the first way, investing in undervalued assets. Wealth builders, when the economy takes a hit, it's not uncommon for people to react with panic and fear. This can lead to a lot of assets such as stocks, real estate, and commodities being sold off at much lower prices than they're actually worth. That's where the savvy investor comes in. Listen up. To your king, the key to making this strategy work is research. You'll need to comb through the market looking for assets that are being sold at a discount but have strong fundamentals. This could mean companies with a solid track record, prime real estate locations, or commodities that are always in demand. Once you've identified these undervalued assets, it's time to make your golden move. By purchasing them at their low prices, you're essentially getting a bargain. Then, when the market recovers and asset prices return to their true value, you can sell them for a profit. It's a simple but effective way to turn a recession into an opportunity to get rich. Now, the second way is exciting, and it is identifying niche markets. When the economy takes a downturn, it often brings about changes in consumer behavior. People may start to prioritize different things, like finding budget-friendly solutions or products that meet a very specific need. This can open up new opportunities for those who are able to spot them. Wealth builders, as an entrepreneur or business owner, it's your job to keep an eye out for these shifts in the market. What are people suddenly more interested in? What needs are going unmet? If you can figure out the answers to these questions, you might just find yourself a lucrative niche market to tap into. Once you've identified a niche market, it's all about meeting their needs better than anyone else. This could mean offering a unique product or service, providing exceptional customer service, or simply being more affordable than the competition. If you can do that, you'll have a chance to build a profitable business, even in the midst of a recession. Your king believes in you. Alright, it's time for the third one. Start or acquire discounted businesses. Wealth builders, in a recession, it's not uncommon for some businesses to find themselves in financial trouble. This can create opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs to swoop in and acquire these businesses at a discount. If you're able to turn the business around, you could end up with a highly profitable venture on your hands. But it's not just about buying existing businesses. Starting your own business during a recession can also be a smart move. With fewer competitors in the market, it could be easier to carve out a niche for yourself. Look for gaps in the market and come up with innovative solutions to fill them. It's worth noting that some of the most successful companies in the world were actually started during economic downturns. The key to success in this strategy is resilience and adaptability. Whether you're acquiring a struggling business or starting one from scratch, you'll need to be prepared to weather the storm and make adjustments as needed. Now, for the fourth way of becoming rich during a recession, we have network and collaborate. Wealth builders, it's no secret that building professional relationships is always important, but it becomes even more crucial during a recession. In tough economic times, opportunities can be scarce, and competition for jobs and contracts can be fierce. However, When you network and collaborate with others, you can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and job prospects that you might not have had access to otherwise. Okay, your king will spill the tea. One of the best ways to network is to attend industry events. Very simple, isn't it? You see, these events are a great opportunity to meet other professionals in your field, learn about new trends and developments, and make connections that could lead to future opportunities. Don't be shy or afraid to introduce yourself to new people and strike up conversations. You never know who you might meet and how they could help you in the future. Additionally, don't be afraid to collaborate on projects with other professionals. Working together can lead to new ideas and solutions, and can also help you build a reputation as a team player and a valuable asset. In conclusion, wealth builders, networking and collaborating with others is an effective way to open up new opportunities and increase your chances of becoming rich during a recession. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there, attend industry events, and collaborate with like-minded professionals. Who knows? These connections might be the key to your financial success. Alright, wealth builders, our last but not the least way is investing in personal development. Recession times can be seen as an opportunity rather than a setback. This is your chance to focus on yourself, upgrade your skills, expand your knowledge, and strengthen your professional connections. While others may be tightening their belts, you can use this period to get ahead by investing in your own growth and development. But you're thinking right now, how can we do that in times of scarcity? Well, there are tons of ways. Consider taking an online course, attending workshops, or participating in networking events. The world is full of resources designed to help you enhance your career and improve your entrepreneurial skills. The knowledge and skills you gain during this time can not only make you more marketable, but also increase your ability to generate income. I can say with 100% confidence that by focusing on personal development, you're setting yourself up for success when the economy rebounds. The investments you make in yourself now can pay off big time in the future. So, wealth builders, use the recession as a stepping stone to reach new heights in your career or business. Remember, success is not just about surviving the tough times, but thriving in them. But before we end this episode, I have a thought-provoking question for you, wealth builders. What are some of the challenges you might face when trying to implement these strategies during a recession, and how can you overcome them? Think deeply and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Your king will surely read them all. So there you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.